Let me turn on my cams real quick. Look at that.
Had these wheels laying around the shop. Traded them for these ones. 18-inch works. 10's front, 11's rear. I need to buy tires, but I think these will fit nice for my build. What is up, YouTube? Johnny B here again today. I'm gonna be showing you guys a quick video of how to repair wheel rash and curbing on wheels that have the silver edges. For example, these ones right here, or they have like a chrome aluminum look where it's not an actual finish. It's just kind of like a polished lip that they give them. A lot of the wheels come like this nowadays where the centers are one color and then the lips are that silver aluminum color. So this is how you can repair. You can also do the repair on colored wheels if they have a very similar lip to these where the lip kind of like protrudes out. And then you can just color the lip by itself, like in a black or something, so it's not as noticeable. Or you can actually leave it in the aluminum raw finish, and it looks pretty good. Where, like, let's say the wheel's black, you do the sanding and you do the repair on the lip, and then you just have like a lip that's like aluminum color. It actually looks pretty good as well. Let me show you guys this wheel. So this wheel got a little bit of curbing. These are going to be my new wheels for the build. Got them in on a trade. They fit perfect with the body kit and everything. But they did have a little bit of a curb rash. I don't like waiting. I think it's like 8 months for these. And if you get TE37s, it's even more. So I got a good deal on these. So I want to repair them, make them look nice. So you can see a little bit of curbing there. A little bit of curbing there. I mean, the wheels are pretty beat, to be honest. So just that section. The rest of the wheel is actually like super nice. They're just dirty. Missing center caps, but I ordered those already. And I want to make this look like new. You can see it's got like little imperfections all the way through. Luckily, this section that I taped off is perfect, so there's going to be no issues. So I'm going to start off with a flappy disc. I'll show you guys. I have this, and I believe it's what is this, an 80 grit? It's an 80 grit. And I'm going to go ahead and just grind this down. All right, so this is the section I want to kind of remove. You just got to be really precise. That's why I also taped it, because sometimes the angle grinder will move down and you can scuff it. If you have like a little air tool, you can use the air tool. Whatever you really need just to sand it down. It doesn't need to be an angle grinder. It's just what I have available, and I have like a air tool as well for finishing touches. So let me just show you guys this section here. If it focuses, there we go. And then we're just going to take it right off the top. So look at that grinding. You can see there is still a little bit left that's visible. So the way they do it when they repair the wheels is you kind of just keep grinding. You kind of do the face kind of flat. And then for the edges here that are a little bit more damaged, you can kind of bevel it where you angle the grinder sideways, and you could just finish removing that. So let me do that real quick. And I'm not gonna move the wheel from here. So let's see. Let's put it straight. We'll have the work in motion full sideways like this, straight up. This is where the damage is, right? Let me go ahead and grind it down a little bit more. You have to be really precise with it, so using two hands is gonna make it a lot easier. Maybe use two hands. All right, so here we are with the wheel again. And then you can see here, that's where the logo is at. And we just grinded it down, and now you can't see it anymore. So I kind of hit it at a little bit of an angle. Let's see. I can zoom in. You can see kind of a line there for where it's at an angle, and then this middle section is the flat section, and then I kind of rounded it. It kind of got rounded out a little bit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with my air tool. You can also use sandpaper. I would hit it with like a 320 now to kind of remove all these deep scratches from the 80, but the 80 was really useful because you can remove all that stuff super fast. But yeah, now the wheel looks really good. It already looks good like this, so imagine once you kind of remove all the fine scratches, and then you go ahead and polish it out. So, yeah. So here's the tool, a little air tool. It's got a little like felt pad on it. These don't really have a number. They're just like medium hard. It's like medium or more abrasive, but we're gonna see how it leaves the little scratches that are on here. Let me just hit it. Like I said, I usually use 320, but I bought this recently, and so I want to test it out. Looks like this removed a lot of the bigger scratches, and I was able to get the shape back since I'm hitting it flat to get the same factory shape. I did do the whole lip just to make sure that it was all even. That way it's not just like, oh, there's a spot that's like low. Just kind of match the whole lip all the way around. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand it all the way through with this, get the shape I want. If we have to hit it with 320 after, we can, or I don't know if I have another less abrasive pad, but you can go down all the way to like to 2000, and it'll make it nice. There we go. So here is how the lip looks after. Looking super nice, nice and smooth, feels really good. Happy with that. Here goes the A86, waiting for its day to be done, but we gotta finish the BRZ first. So I'm getting the wheels ready as well. Just excited to get them done and get them refinished. So here we have Eagle One Never Dull. This is made for polishing all kinds of metals, and it's just the stuff I like to use on the lips to remove all these scratches and get them to kind of get a bit of a shine like the original polished aluminum. So just grab a little bit of this, and then we're just gonna start rubbing it on and seeing the difference. So we'll do it here where it lines up with the sticker, fork of motion, and then we'll try to see if we can make this shine kind of like that. Yeah, there we go. While I polish this out, you guys, if some of you guys are upset that I'm not just full zooming out, it's because the wheel that these are on is a secret build, or is gonna be in another video, so don't want to show the car. That's why I'm just focusing on the wheels. You can see how a lot of the leftover metal kind of goes onto this piece here. You just got to keep going back and forth. I can always already see it start shining. Let me wipe it off. Look at that. It's already nice and shiny. So is there like a transition? You can see kind of like the sanding marks here. And then here, they mostly went away. You can keep going, or you can go with a bit lighter sanding. So you could do like 1,000, 2,000 to kind of remove as much scratches before the polishing. But I find that just doing it with the 320 or with this is where I'm happy with it. Look at that. That looks good. So now I just got to do that to the whole lip and show you guys the final result, removing this tape. Okay guys, so here's the finished product. Look at that. You can see the shine all the way around. It's beautiful. Now, no more curb rash. Saw all those crazy imperfections that I had. I believe we had the wheel like this, right? So the main damage was here. Look at that. What damage? Now the wheels look about 90% because they're used, they're old. I got a super good deal on these. These are really, really deep dish. They're made to fit with the kit that I have and run no spacers. So I got a really good deal on these. I think I picked these up for like 1,500 bucks. I traded some wheels that I had for 1,500 that I bought for 1,500, and then I traded these straight trade. And I got the wheels that I wanted. I need them to be 18s because these brakes are just temporary. I have a big brake kit, and with the 17s that I had before, the big brake kit doesn't work. So I had to ditch that idea, and I'm gonna be running these wheels now just because I don't want to spend $4,000 on some T37s at the moment. And I'm gonna track the car and race it. So having some used wheels was the best option for me. Got these really nice ones. They have like a little rock chip here and whatnot. If you guys noticed that in the video before, then you guys can see that it's the same wheel. We didn't change wheels. And yeah, look at that. Amazing. Hope you guys like the results. And as always, hope you guys have a great day.